I'm crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. I went took a break. I sat down at the couch for a bit and I got a little snack and then I was like, "Huh. I wonder, let me I wonder is all I need to do was use the USD, right?" So if you guys remember, we're back. I just got done streaming, but I'm back because I need to finish this problem. And so if you remember, we weren't passing the check 50 in like here, whoops, because we weren't handling getting this one, right? So earlier, if you remember right, I was thinking about it. I tried to do this earlier where I went into my index and I tried to insert USD directly into here and it wouldn't let me, right, to convert these. That's what it wants, I believe. So what I did was I wrote this in the index, right? In the index. So after you buy, so let's first, after you buy, you redirect to index with a flash of purchase successful. So then in route index, we need to right, hold on. Right. So we need to format these into USD. And so right now they're currently floats. These ones are getting formatted because we're explicitly passing those individually. But in our route, we have a user portfolio, which is a list of a dictionary, right? The execute returns a list back to us, and the hold on, let me give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Um, Copy. Right, and then let's go to OBS, YouTube chat, paste that there. Okay. All right. All right. Leave a like for the late night stream, guys. You got to leave a like for the late night stream. I'm gonna solve this problem tonight. I need to finish it. Yes, Ryan, I need to finish this problem. I sat down on the couch, I thought about it, and I think what the problem's asking for is we need to format these numbers because we're redirecting in our buy to the index page. So it's looking for formatted values via these error messages that we're getting, right? This 12.00. So it's looking for a formatted value. But last time I tried to do it within the HTML page and that didn't work. I tried to pass USD in there. So let's go ahead and do this. So in route index, right here. So we know that the user profile is a dictionary. So we say for key value in user profile index 0. All right. If value if is instance value float, right? User profile index 0 index key equals to USD value. Just like that. Okay, now let's check our check 50. And let's refresh this. Okay, we're gonna fail. Hold on, we have an error. Oh, sorry, user, not user profile, user portfolio. My fault. All right. And too many values to unpack. Oh, whoops, sorry. Dot items. And boom, there we go. So now we are getting dollar signs across all the values. We're getting the USD formatting. Okay. So let's go into the check 50. Let's throw that there. Come on, baby. Show me the money. No. What's going on now? What did I break? I broke something. Login as registered user success. Index error, list index out of range. What? What? Why am I getting this error now? Did I do something to log in on accident? Let me copy this, and then I'll go back. Oh, hold on, not that. This. Did I accidentally break something? See, I tried it before. I got it to work. Delete. Because I did it with nest here, which I didn't really need to. I can sit like this, like I did before. Uh-oh. Unexpected indent. Oh, I did it again. User portfolio. What? User portfolio key. For key, value, and user portfolio. List indices must be integers or slices. Oh. There we go. Now let's plug that in. Come on. I don't know what this login thing, I wasn't getting that before. Come on, baby. What? What is that? Post login, index error out of range. I can log in. I don't know what's going on with this now. Why am I getting this? Wasn't getting this before. It is instance. I removed that and then I did check 50. What did that get me? There we go. Oh, I was accessing an index potentially that wasn't there. That's why. So my original double for, I needed the double for. I couldn't explicitly access the index of the user profile 0, inferring that there is that one there, because there might not be any if it's none. If user profile not profile, portfolio, right? Do all this. Okay. So now we need to cell page requires all elements. Open up this. Okay, so we got that to pass. Cool. Symbol but not found. Sending post to login. Sending get to cell. Found requires shares field. Get request to cell. Cell page has all required elements. Symbol. Okay, let's go to cell. Cell. So make these arrow 400s. Cell page needs a symbol. I have cell. I have a name symbol here. So in cell, I get upper on symbol for ticker. I look up. So then let me Cell page requires all element symbol, but none found. Field with a select field. Oh, ticker. It wants symbol. Maybe that's why. Let's see if that'll work. Come on, baby. Show me the money. No, but none found. I have a symbol. 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 SYMBOL for name. So I redirect to home. What is it wanting? Symbol posted. The login page has all required elements. Quote page has all required elements. Name, symbol, placeholder. Symbol, ticker, button, sell shares. This action calls on sell. If it's post, we get a ticker via the symbol get. Let me take off the dot upper. And put it here. Let me see what that does, but I don't think that'll do it either. Look up data on ticker. Hey Saxoid, how's it going? Zanab, Brian, welcome back in. Late night, we're trying to solve this problem real quick. I thought I was going to solve it really fast here, but oh, we're close. Sell a symbol, but none found. Under template. do anything. Why does this not work? A select field. So it says a select field in cell page. Let's go back here. Enter user input is stock symbol. Input is a select menu. Oh, I'm so dumb. I missed that part. So dumb. Okay, select menu. Let me look up select menu in HTML. A label. Oh, okay. Label. Okay, we'll just say select. When you go to app.py, we need to pass in when we call cell, we need to pass in here the user's portfolio. So we have results selection. Select shares or portfolio user equals. Current stock price, number of shares, results, current share count, new share count, total payout. So when we go into cell, we need to pass in the user portfolio is equal to, we'll come up here to our function above, index, and do this guy, user portfolio. We'll take user ID and do this guy. All right. Let's go down to cell, right? User ID. Do I have a user ID variable to use here? Do I have a user ID variable? Boom. Okay. we'll pass in user profile as a list of all the columns. User portfolio. I go to cell. Oh. Right. So number of shares. Okay, so now we'll do the select and cell. So select we'll do this. Select option option we'll say name equals equals to name equals to user portfolio dot user portfolio dot index no, so we want to pass in the stocks, I guess would be easier. So we'll say tickers equals tickers, and we'll select stock symbols from portfolio where user ID equals this. So this will be stock symbols right, or sorry, tickers, pass in that. So now we'll go here to cell, select option name. This option is going to be tickers, for ticker in, okay, let's say this, for ticker in tickers, we'll create the option with name of ticker, close the option, put ticker there as well, and then we will N4, right? And so then we're going to give another option out front though. Stock symbol. Symbol. Right, and then how to make option disable and auto select value equals blank value equals ticker. Quote ticker. Name equals quote name. So this option value equals quote blank selected disabled, right? Refresh that. Let's call them stock symbols. In from portfolio, let's check stock symbol. Okay, so it's giving us that now. So this will give us the value. So now we're getting this. So we'll say sell we're displaying the ticker dot stock symbol, right? There you go. The cell, this should be auto selected. It's not selected. Oh. There we go. That's fine. Okay. So this has a value of ticker and name of ticker. Not ticker, of stock.ticker.symbol. Right. So that way that we can receive back in the get request the the ticker. So this will get, quote, symbol, when this is, what does it say? The value is name is going to be symbol. So it's just symbol. Right. Like if hood, sell 1 share of hood, sell shares. It's none type. So when I submitted that, I got back for symbol a none type. Attribute error on upper. So my cell is giving back a value of this symbol. So hood, 1 share submit. Let me buy meta 1 share. Okay. Sell meta 1 share. None type, both of them. It's gotta be in quotes. The value is the symbol. So it's not corresponding to the right name, so let's type submit form. I'm doing .form.get quote symbol. Attribute error. What's causing this? Hey Jumbo, I have a question. Did you take CS50P? Yes, I did. That sounds awesome. Yeah, CS50, I did it. I did CS50P before CS50X. Okay, so now I'm getting. Do I have any errors in here? So that'll come out. This is giving none. Well, let's see if I'm even doing this correctly. Let's throw this. Do you see any bugs? Yes, there's a small issue. The symbol, the name should be on the select menu. Oh, okay, sorry. That's why I'm getting none back. I didn't know that. X, select menu name symbol. Okay, so yeah, so you receive back the name. No, I want to get back the value associated with the select menu. The select menu is named symbol. The options aren't named. Okay, so now if I go here, sell 1 share. Boom. Okay. Yes. Woohoo! Yes, currently reading Python Crash Course book by Eric Matz. Yes, that book is really, really good. I honestly wish I would have read that before I took CS50P. I think the Python Crash Course book is better than CS50P. Um, in all honesty. But using them together as well is just will really just you'll blow through the course. So let me know. Yeah, exactly. I have some notes down in my Discord as well as I upload the solutions to the try it yourself problems. Did I break them down? So feel free to reference those and whatnot. Yeah. I also have a repo of all of the answers, I think, on GitHub. You also agree that it's better? The Python crash course, yeah, I think it's so much better just because it those basic examples broken down into dog, cat, pizza, you know, it's just really um it really helps. Like I know it seems elementary, but it really does help. Um Code artist DSA algo task tracker artist website odor recipes CS50X git test fluent Python my homepage. I do not have it up. I apologize. I do have CS50P resources on my GitHub. I haven't actually added anything though. Dang it. Oh shoot, I gotta update that. I'll have to push my Python crash course. Um, yeah, it goes super brief and explains it super spot on. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's do the check 50 here. So then we'll have to fix the history, just the formatting. Okay, one more check and we're done with week 9, guys. Give a like here for the late night stream. I appreciate you guys for being here. It's a small crew here of you guys. You guys, thank you so much for being on the late night. I streamed earlier today and I came back about 30 minutes later because I was like I have to finish this problem, and I'm like okay, we're one away because I was stuck on this one right here. I was stuck on the cell page. Has all the requirements. No, I was stuck on the buy page has um, buy page hinges valid purchase. I was stuck on that one. I just had to handle the display back to the the index page for this basically here, which I think we might actually have to do again here for this. I'm gonna copy it just in case. So if we go to the history page, we have to provide a history. So, and these need to be formatted as such. Okay. So we'll go like this. We'll go back into app.py. We'll go down to history, add cache, log in, register, log out, log in, history. Okay. Um, so we need to basically do this. Uh, um, let's select. So we have all the transactions, right? And then we say we render a template off those transactions. Type symbol. Okay. So let's do this. For transaction, um, in user transactions, if oh no, um, key value and then for key value in transaction dot items, if is instance value float transaction key equals USD value. Okay. There we go. That formatted those. Okay, but that changed that to so we don't want that. Shares is a float, huh? In transactions. So then I guess we'll say this um, if key equals cost. So the okay, so we want to do what is the PHP for that? Finance, transactions, just cost, lowercase. Okay. Oh. Okay, now there we go. That just did the cost. Now let's go ahead and check 50. All right, moment of truth, everybody. Here we go. Give me thumbs up if you think it's good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. It's been hours. It's been hours, please. CS50X finance. Yes! Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! Whoa, awesome. Man, it took us probably close to 8 hours to finish this problem. This one was really long. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up for that. We finished week 9 of CS50X on Flask. Let's go. I mean, it was really long. I hated it, but we got a lot of practice, so I feel really comfortable, like in it at least for the most part, with Jinja syntax and stuff. I feel a lot better, but that was brutal. Week 9 is done. Woohoo! Yes! All right, let's submit this bad boy. Let's go. Time for bed. I'm so screwed. My animals are so mad at me. They didn't get attention. Good on you, Jembo. I'm proud of you that you're getting CS50 going and that you're doing Python Crash Course. It's a great start. That's exactly what I did. And I mean, I'm not saying that I did anything correct, but I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from you guys, at least on my current level and abilities. I'm able to, work through this course pretty quickly. I was able to solve, I mean, some people I read online solved this one in like it took them weeks and stuff. So we did it in like we did it in a while, but it took us a few sessions. But we solved this one. Like it's really nice. So let's go. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you tomorrow. Uh, I'm gonna go hit the hay. I'm dead. But that was the end of week 9 for Harvard CS50X on Flask. I'll see you guys next time. Tomorrow will be a normal stream, no CS50. We will just be doing reading out of the book at the beginning, whether in DSA and in Fluent Python, and we'll do leak code, and then we will do project work. So be there tomorrow for a normal stream. Exactly, Jembo. Take it day by day, step by step. I really tried my best to pound in the beginner concepts before moving on. Even if I felt comfortable already, I still just drove in more and more practice because at the end of the day, those beginner concepts don't go away. They just are used over and over and over again. And so you need to be able to use them without having to think about them. They need to be second nature, like for loops and stuff. And so I didn't want to be bottlenecked when I was learning harder things by having to go back and relearn easier stuff that I should have already mastered. I wanted to just be ready to just take on those harder things, like with all of my ability and, that I had. So, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.